Of course, this is the philosophy of a Gnostic atheist. Doesn't believe in anything but himself. So if we have these requirements, this is the meaning of Shadanvita. Shadanvita means I have belief, confidence, love, trust. And I fully accept. All. If we fully accept, this is the meaning of Shraddha. When Krishna is saying Shraddha Anvita, I completely and fully accept all the points I mentioned. Krishna's to Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I fully accept the Bhagavad Puran is Shabda. It's transcendental, Shabda Brahman, transcendental spiritual sound vibration. This is Radha Krishna Sarup, the Bhagavatam. This sacred scripture is non-different from God and His Shakti. All His love is here. All His lilas are here. All His tattvas and siddhanta is here in Bhagavad Puran. And one by one, if we accept all these things, then we can enter the Ras Lila, we can hear about it, we can study it, we can remember it, we can worship it, we can preach to selected audiences about different levels and aspects of Ras Lila, Prachar. And then we can get the mercy of this prema. So we'll conclude today's lecture